So right now I have my card, my transit card, and my lock is here. And then what I have to do is to factory reset the lock. Here 1 beat, and then tap the white card twice, and then just wait. Now this card is the master card. You can use it to unlock the lock. But with your transit card, it's not working right now because it is not programmed to the lock yet. And then right now I have to program this transit card to the lock. What I have to do is to tap your master user card once, and then tap your digital transit card. You can hear a beep. That means it is programmed. And right now you can use this digital transit card to open your lock.